Hello, parents. Namaskar. The year 2020 has been a year of sudden changes. Changes that humankind never perceived nor seen. And the most significant changes had been in the field of education. At the very outset, I would like to thank each and every one of you from the core of my heart for supporting us in our endeavor of conducting virtual classes for our children. We, the teachers, were at one end of the virtual platform delivering the lessons with the confidence and the trust that it was received by you, the parents, at the other end, and that it will be delivered to our children exactly the way it needs to be. And hence, our virtual classes have been a big success. Thank you so much for the hand holding. Thank you so much for the support and trust. I hope we will continue with this partnership in future as well and provide a beautiful world for our children. We are also flattered by the appreciation letters that you have showered upon us. They were such beautiful letters, and they also motivated us to do better every day. They imbibe a sense of satisfaction within us that maybe we are doing something good, something nice. Thank you so much, parents, for those letters. You know that we have collaborated with MSTAR to create a virtual platform. I'm glad to announce that soon we will be conducting our classes on this platform, and you will be able to access these classes through the cards that we have issued. So I think this would be the beginning of a new era, and it will be benefiting all stakeholders. Another aspect is that we all know that English is a global language. English is also the medium of instruction in school. And we felt that children should learn the language in a better way. And hence we have started a drive. It is called 8 to 2. It is about the fact that children and all staff members are expected to interact in the campus language during school hours, that is English. And each and every person, right from the guards to the nannies and the bus conductors and drivers, are expected to interact in English during school hours. And we are confident that this endeavor would help children learn the language in a better way. I would request you to partner with us in this endeavor by helping your child learn the language through auditory inputs, like listening to an English program, reading aloud an English book, playing word games, repeating what the child is speaking in English, give instruction in English, and then you can repeat it in Hindi, because all these auditory inputs will help the child learn the language faster and in a better manner. Also encourage your child to speak in simple English sentences. So here's looking forward to a new learning experience with you all. Well, when we are talking about COVID-19, many of us feel that it is nature's way of healing herself. At Alcon, we strongly believe in SDG goals and sensitize our children from an early age. Our children are sensitized towards water conservation, green drive, and gender equality right from the beginning. We request you to imbibe these values at home as well. You know, as per the school calendar, we were expected to have the summer vacation from 9th of May. But we realized the need of the hour, the challenges the parents were facing, and we thought that we should be conducting classes for a few more days because that was important for the well-being of our children, and that would be a little help to our parents as well. And then we continued the classes till 22nd. So the summer vacation officially starts from today, that is 23rd of May, and the schools will reopen on 2nd of July. You all may have received the holiday homework, and I'm sure you have reached out to the teachers with your set of queries and concerns and have been satisfied. So these holiday homeworks have been designed to help you spend some quality time with your children, and I'm sure you will enjoy doing them as much as we enjoyed preparing them for you. Last but not the least, I would like to request you all to pay the fees on time. You may have received our principal sir's letter regarding this. I understand it's challenging time for everyone, and school is no exception. Please understand there are so many families dependent on school, and fees are the only source of earning for us. And if you pay it on time, we are able to give out the salaries on time. So please do your bit by paying the fee on time, and let us all together fight the pandemic together. Remember, we are all in this together, and we'll all fight it together. So here's wishing you all a very happy summer vacation with your children. I hope you have a happy, healthy, and relaxing vacation with your child. Enjoy the time with your children. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you after the summer vacation on 2nd of July. Thank you so much.